Hello my friends, welcome again to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banana bonsai. With this technique you can have a pretty plant like this one, which is 1 year old, in a nice bonsai style. So what do you need? Of course the first thing you need is a new plant, and we are going to take them from this plant. We need a pot. You need soil with a big mixture of rocks. You need additional rocks for decoration, also moss and any other little plant that you want to include in your design. And that's it. Let's do it. So the first thing you need to do is to remove the little plants, the lateral shoots, which are actually called suckers. I have shown before this. You just need to use a sharp tool and cut in between the baby plant and the mother plant. Make sure you take a plant with roots. In that way, the plant will recover easily. This plant has a second sucker, so we are also going to take this one. Same technique. Cut and pull. This one looks better. It has more roots, as you can see here, and it will recover faster. We put our mother plant back to normal, put the decorations back, and we are going to use the baby new plants to make our bonsai. So we start by putting a net in the hole of this pot. It's very important that the pot has a hole which will allow a good drainage. Then fill your pot with soil around 50%. I'm going to use this rock because I want to make one of those bonsais where they are growing on rocks. For that, we place the rock, and then on top of the rock we place the plant, and we start adding more soil. Because this is the style I want, I will cover the rock for now, like this. In 1 or 2 weeks we remove part of the soil and we expose the rock. That will look very cool. For now, just cover the whole plant and add some water now. And we start decorating our bonsai with moss. You can either cover the whole pot or just part of it, it's up to you. You can also use rocks and other little plants to make a nice design. I like moss. Remember, in 1 or 2 weeks we are going to remove the soil of this part, but for now I'm just going to cover it with moss. I'm going to cover the whole area with moss, and probably in 1 or 2 weeks I'm going to remove this part to show you. And that's it. Now we have our little new bonsai. Of course, it will take some time for the plant to become an adult, but if you keep the plant in small pots, they are going to stay small. That's the trick. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.